And once again, we see Tesla stock, we see the SPY and the QQQ collapsing today. We also see Nvidia stock finally losing its inflection point as well, and we don't see not a single bullish sign on these stocks right here, right now, this Friday at least. Now, you may ask, is there any hope for the market? Well, from a technical point of view, yes, of course, but let's not count too much on that. Personally speaking, I'm extremely skeptical about such reaction, and I'm gonna explain why in this video. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader, founder of the 5% project, where I will share advanced trading strategies with you, with the aim of improving your performance, helping you to make consistent profits and not giving your money to the smart money. So learn more about our intelligent strategies on our website. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen and of course in the fixed comment below. All right, now Tesla stock, our dear Tesla stock over here, it is collapsing again today. We are 4 days away from earnings. It is going to report earnings next Tuesday over here. So guys, the volatility will probably, most likely, it is going to increase a lot next week. All right, now you may ask, Nathan, what could convince you that Tesla is gonna make a bottom signal over here? Guys, if we take a look at the weekly chart, at the weekly chart, the situation is not good. It is not good at all, because we are not only losing this descending channel downwards, it is already a descending channel, okay? It is already bearish by its own nature. We are losing the support line of this descending channel. What's more, we are losing the $152 support level, which was the previous support level from April last year, from exactly 1 year ago. So we are losing two very important support levels in one single bearish candlestick pattern this week before earnings. This is extremely bad for Tesla because our next technical support level is around $100 down here, okay? We don't see any other meaningful support level except the $100, and that would be a quite catastrophic for Tesla stock. Honestly, I don't believe we're gonna see such bearish reaction, but I'm extremely skeptical about a crystal clear bullish reaction from here, okay? Because what could convince me that Tesla is going to reverse this bearish sentiment? We gotta reject this week's bearish candlestick over here, because we see that the logic is very simple. All right, we see Tesla collapsing since December last year. We have been collapsing, we have been making lower highs, lower lows over here, and right now we see a very sharp and intense bearish candlestick pattern approaching support levels after this bearish sentiment was already materialized. If Tesla rejects this bearish candlestick over here, there is a decent chance that this is gonna be an exhaustion bar, meaning that this bearish movement over here, this bearish sentiment, might be exhausted right here, right now. But guys, this scenario wasn't materialized. Do not misunderstand what I'm saying over here. I'm not saying that Tesla is a buy, because when I say these things, some people will try to buy Tesla right here. Oh, Nathan is saying that Tesla is gonna go up. No, this is not what I'm saying. This is definitely not what I'm saying. I'm saying that Tesla will continue its bearish sentiment as long as we don't see a complete rejection of this bearish candlestick pattern. This is what I'm actually saying over here. So there is no magic formula over here. There is no easy way to trade this. If you want to buy Tesla, you want to see Tesla rejecting this bearish candlestick pattern over here. We saw a similar bearish reaction over here on January 22 week over here, the previous earnings. All right, we saw this bearish candlestick pattern over here, and then we started to bounce. And I told you guys, if we reject this bearish candlestick pattern, then this could be an exhaustion bar and we could recover from here. This didn't happen, okay? We couldn't reject this bar over here, and we kept going down. Now we see a similar situation. We see a possible, not triggered yet, exhaustion bar. If we see Tesla breaking this week's high next week, then okay, then I'll be convinced that yes, we are gonna find a bottom level over here and Tesla can recover to higher levels, possibly even to retest the resistance line of this descending channel. But as long as we don't see such scenario materialized, I'm extremely skeptical about a recovery over here, and that Tesla will probably maintain its downwards sentiment. All right, this is what I'm actually saying. Please do not misunderstand what I'm saying. Now, regarding SPY and QQQ, there is a hope that Tesla and the Nvidia could recover from here, because SPY and QQQ, they are approaching very important support levels. QQQ lost its 21 EMA, and right now we are reaching the previous top level from December last year, which could be a very nice support level for us this week. SPY approached the 21 EMA on the daily chart, while it closed this gap over here from February 21st. Now, we see that SPY and QQQ are both on a crystal clear support level. What's the problem? The problem is that we don't see not a single bullish reaction. If we see a bullish reaction around such important and meaningful support level, great. I believe that Tesla, I believe that Nvidia, they are going to try to reverse their bearish sentiment, and that they could reverse their bearish sentiment. But we gotta see more confirmation ahead, because on the weekly chart, SPY and QQQ are not looking good right now. But don't you agree? Let me tell you, don't you agree that if we see a bullish signal in this area, would it be a very nice buying opportunity over here? Because we are still bullish, all right? SPY on the weekly chart is still bullish. It has been bullish since it started going up in October 2022, all right? We have been making higher highs, higher lows, trading above the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is pointing upwards, etc. Clearly bullish, all right? Since we are still bullish, long-term speaking, when we approach a crystal clear support level, usually we see just another possible buying opportunity, because the risk-reward ratio is very good. Even if we are wrong over here, we're gonna lose a little bit. And if we are right, then we're gonna nail the bottom level on SPY. Similarly, we see QQQ retesting a support level. It is still clearly bullish. It did trigger this bullish flag chart pattern. We have yet to reach its technical target, I believe. Let me calculate it. Yes, we couldn't hit its target yet, around $500, but I do believe we are still gonna get there. Now, it all depends on how we are going to react next week. If we see a bottom signal over here, that's gonna be phenomenal. Many stocks are going to look very good. We're gonna buy many stocks at a discounted price, and I will probably see dozens of opportunities next week, and I will share every single one of them on our Telegram channel. This is why it is very important to join the 5% project. Remember, link in the fixed comment below. Now, Nvidia is so bullish. It is so bullish that unlike SPY, unlike QQQ, it is still above, clearly above the 21 EMA on the weekly chart. It is not retesting its support level, we lost the previous support area around $841, and we are closing below the support level, suggesting that Nvidia is turning bearish. It is right now officially bearish, mid-term speaking, but we're not bearish yet on the weekly chart. All right, we gotta make a crystal clear bearish chart structure on the weekly chart, because as far as I know, this is just a pullback to the previous support level in a bull trend. And remember, pullbacks in a bull trend are nothing but buying opportunities at a discounted price with a good risk-reward ratio. This is how we proceed here in this market. All right, so by seeing, of course, we don't see any bullish reaction right now, but if we see a bullish reaction, okay, yes, Nvidia is going to be a very good stock to buy. I do believe we're going to see another very good opportunity. And right here, right now, Nvidia is not necessarily oversold. It still could drop a little bit more, but I believe that we could easily see a nice reaction next week if we see a crystal clear bottom signal above its 21 EMA. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on these stocks and many others in this channel. So if you're still watching this video and you are not a subscriber, join us, consider subscribing this channel, because I just told you we are here every single day talking about Tesla, SPY, Nvidia, QQQ, AMD, Palantir, etc. So join this community, click the like button to support me as well. I highly appreciate your support and I wish you a great weekend. Stay safe, see you guys next Monday.